In this video I am once again going to run pocket option auto trader on a small time frame, and I will this time choose another of my favorite strategies, and like I have done now lately, I will show how I pick out the strategy in normal speed, and after I have chosen the strategy I will speed up everything. So if you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to use this binary option robot that you're seeing in this video, you find a link below the video. It's one-click install both for desktop and for cell phone. Super easy. So with that, and of course it's completely for free. But now let's start up the robot and let's see how much money and win rate we get in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom, baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots if they wanna just.
And there we have it. $1,719 and a 60% win rate. For me, that is amazing, because still we need to remember we are trading on a 5-second close. So when we get a win rate so high, I am super happy with that. So once again, if you want this binary option robot completely for free, link below the video so you also can get started today. So with that, have an amazing day.